Stranded in mud with your Wrangler? That sinking feeling is every off-road driver's nightmare. Today you'll discover how the right best electric winch for Wrangler Jeeps can save time, stress, and energy on rough trails. Welcome to the channel. Stay with us for smart buying insights. Check product links in description to upgrade your recovery power. Product number 1. X-Bull Winch 13,500 pounds load capacity electric winch kit 12 volt synthetic rope. Most off-road recoveries fail not because of terrain, but because the winch gives up first. That's the hard truth many Wrangler owners discover too late. When you're buried in mud or angled awkwardly on rock, you don't need average pulling power. You need authority. The X-Bull Winch 13,500 pounds electric winch kit delivers exactly that. Built with a 12 volts motor and synthetic rope, it's engineered for serious recovery situations, not weekend posing. Let's talk real-world problems. Many Jeep owners struggle with underpowered winches, steel cables that rust, or remotes that fail in rain. This setup solves that. The IP67 waterproof rating handles deep water crossings. The synthetic rope is lighter and safer than steel. And the wireless plus corded control gives flexibility when positioning matters. Compared to a typical 9,500 pounds winch, this one offers stronger pulling capacity for heavier Wrangler builds with armor and oversized tires. The trade-off? It's slightly heavier and may draw more battery under full load. Who should buy it? Wrangler drivers who trail hard, overland far, or refuse to call for help. Because when the trail tests you, your recovery gear should answer back without hesitation. Product number 2, Warn VR Evo 12S electric 12 volts winch, 12,000 pounds pull capacity, synthetic rope. Thunder sometimes strikes without warning, and so does the need to recover your Jeep from mud, sand, or steep mountain trails. When your wheels sink, panic rises. That's where the Warn VR Evo 12S electric winch steps in like a silent rescue partner for serious off-road explorers who love pushing limits in their Wrangler adventures. Built with a 12,000 pounds pull capacity and synthetic rope, this beast feels lighter but works harder, reducing dangerous snap risks during tough recoveries. For drivers searching for a reliable best electric winch kit for Wrangler Jeep setup, this unit brings real field reliability. Compared with older steel cable winches, the IP68 waterproof rating keeps performance steady in heavy rain or river crossings, unlike cheaper rivals that weaken under pressure. The downside? Premium quality means higher upfront cost and installation patience. Yet adventure lovers, weekend trail warriors, and rescue-focused drivers will feel the practical strength immediately. Every pull feels controlled, reducing stress when nature tests your limits. Reliability is the real luxury here, like knowing help is always within reach when roads disappear. Product number 3, Rough Country 12,000 pounds Pro Series electric winch, synthetic rope. The moment your Jeep gets stuck in mud miles from civilization, silence becomes louder than your engine. That is when strength matters more than speed. The Rough Country 12,000 pounds Pro Series electric winch, Pro 12000S feels like a rescue partner you hope you never need but are grateful to have. Built with synthetic rope, it removes the terrifying snap risks of steel cables while supporting heavy recovery loads, making it ideal for off-road explorers searching for a reliable best electric winch kit for Wrangler Jeep setups. This winch pulls hard, smooth, and steady when trails turn cruel. Installation is straightforward, saving time and frustration before adventure calls. The LCD remote control adds practical control in stressful recovery moments. Downside? The motor can feel slightly noisy under maximum load compared to premium off-road winches. Still, for budget-conscious trail lovers, it beats many entry-level options. If you crave rugged reliability during weekend mountain escapes, this tool quietly protects your journey when the road disappears. Adventure becomes less risky, more liberating, like having a silent guardian mounted on your bumper. Product number 4, Vevor electric winch, 18,000 pounds truck trailer Jeep winch, 12 volts DC 7/16 in x 85 feet. Somewhere on every off-road trail, there is a moment when adventure turns into panic, and that's where this steel beast earns its respect. The Vevor 18,000 pounds electric winch feels like insurance for freedom seekers who push their Wrangler Jeep beyond safe pavement comfort. Heavy mud, steep rocks, or stuck sand often leave drivers frustrated with weaker recovery tools. This winch answers that stress with its 12 volts DC power and strong steel cable pulling like an invisible hand dragging your SUV back to solid ground. The best electric winch kit for Wrangler Jeep enthusiasts will appreciate the 7/16" x 85 feet steel cable and dual remote control options. The IP55 waterproof rating adds quiet reliability during rain or river crossings. Compared to lighter synthetic rope winches, this model feels more rugged but slightly heavier to mount. Ideal buyers are serious off-road drivers and towing users who need muscle without constant maintenance worry. Small trade-off: it is not the lightest setup, but the pulling power feels emotionally reassuring when recovery moments happen. Adventure should continue, not end in a stuck wheel. Product number 5, Open Road 6,000 pounds UTV Winch, Waterproof IP67 Electric Trailer 6K Winch with 1/4 x 50 feet synthetic rope. Thunder cracks don't always come from the sky, sometimes they come from being stuck in mud miles away from help. The Open Road 6,000 pounds UTV winch feels like a rescue partner waiting quietly on your bumper. Heavy off-road lovers, especially Wrangler Jeep drivers searching for a strong best electric winch kit for Wrangler Jeep, know the fear of weak recovery gear in harsh terrain. This 6K winch carries a waterproof IP67 body, 1/4 synthetic rope, wireless remote control freedom, and a sturdy mounting plate that turns panic moments into controlled recovery missions. Pull power feels smooth, like steady breathing during pressure. In real life, trails hide surprises, deep sand, rocky climbs, and sudden towing needs. This winch gives practical relief with fast line speed and lightweight synthetic rope safety. Compared to bulkier steel rope winches, it feels easier to install and manage. The downside? Hardcore commercial towing may demand higher load capacity. Adventure seekers, weekend explorers, and Jeep enthusiasts wanting reliable backup strength should consider this mechanical ally before every off-road journey. It turns uncertainty into calm preparation without loud bragging, just quiet mechanical strength guiding you home.